वो नए पड़ोसी कैसे हैं? हाउ आर द न्यू नेबर्स? हाउ आर द न्यू नेबर्स? हाँ, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं। यस, दे आर रियली नाइस। यस, दे आर रियली नाइस। अरे मत पूछो, बहुत रूखे हैं। डोंट आस्क, दे आर क्वाइट रूड। डोंट आस्क, दे आर क्वाइट रूड। अभी ठीक से बात नहीं हुई है। Haven't interacted properly yet. Haven't interacted properly yet. क्या तुम्हें पता चला शर्मा जी के घर क्या हुआ? Did you hear what happened at Sharma ji's house? Did you hear what happened at Sharma ji's house? हाँ, कल रात बहुत शोर था। Yes, it was really noisy last night. Yes, it was really noisy last night. नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता। No, I have no idea. No, I have no idea. शायद कुछ फैमिली प्रॉब्लम होगी। Maybe it was some family issue. Maybe it was some family issue. वो रोज क्यों चिल्लाते रहते हैं? Why do they shout every day? Why do they shout every day? शायद आपस में झगड़ा होता है। Maybe they keep fighting. Maybe they keep fighting. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा कुछ है। I don't think that's the case. I don't think that's the case. हम लोग क्या ही कह सकते हैं? Who are we to judge? Who are we to judge? क्या वो लोग बहुत तंग करते हैं? Do they trouble you a lot? Do they trouble you a lot? हाँ, उनका म्यूजिक बहुत तेज होता है। Yes, their music is really loud. Yes, their music is really loud. नहीं, वो तो ठीक है। No, they are okay. No, they are okay. बस कभी कभी दिक्कत होती है। Only sometimes, not always. Only sometimes, not always. उनके घर इतनी भीड़ क्यों रहती है? Why is their house always crowded? Why is their house always crowded? शायद उनका बड़ा परिवार है। Maybe they have big family. Maybe they have a big family. मैंने तो कभी किसी को आते जाते नहीं देखा। I have never really seen anyone there. I have never really seen anyone there. हो सकता है कोई समारोह हो। Maybe there is some occasion. Maybe there is some occasion. क्या तुम्हें लगता है वो दिखावा करते हैं? Do you think they show off? Do you think they show off? हाँ, हर बात में पैसा झाड़ते हैं। Yes, they always flaunt money. Yes, they always flaunt money. नहीं, वो तो बहुत सादे हैं। No, they are quite simple. No, they are quite simple. दिखावे की तो दुनिया है। The world is full of show off anyway. The world is full of show offs anyway. क्या उन्होंने तुम्हें कभी इनवाइट किया? Have they ever invited you? Have they ever invited you? हाँ, एक बार पूजा में बुलाया था। Yes, they once invited me to a puja. Yes, they once invited me to a puja. नहीं, कभी नहीं बुलाया। No, never. No, never. शायद उन्हें ज़रूरत नहीं लगी होगी. Maybe they didn't feel the need. Maybe they didn't feel the need. वो बाहर क्यों नहीं निकलते? Why don't they come out? Why don't they come out? शायद वो इंट्रोवर्ट है. Maybe they are introverts. Maybe they are introverts. मुझे नहीं लगता ऐसा कुछ है. I don't think so. I don't think so. हर किसी की अपनी लाइफ होती है. Everyone has their own life. Everyone has their own life. वो लड़का पूरे दिन मोबाइल पर ही क्यों रहता है? Why is that boy always on his phone? Why is that boy always on his phone? आजकल के बच्चों का यही हाल है. That's how kids are these days. That's how kids are these days. हो सकता है वो कुछ सीख रहा हो. Maybe he is learning something. Maybe he is learning something. हमें क्या करना है उससे? Why do we care? Why do we care? क्या वो लोग हमारी बातें सुनते हैं? Do they listen to our conversations? Do they listen to our conversations? हाँ, अक्सर दरवाजे के पास रहते हैं. Yes, they often stand near the door. Yes, they often stand near the door. नहीं, वो अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं. No, they stay in their own world. No, they stay in their own world. कभी-कभी शक होता है. Sometimes I do get suspicious. Sometimes I do get suspicious. वो इतनी सफाई क्यों करते हैं हर वक्त? Why do they clean all the time? Why do they clean all the time? उन्हें सफाई का बहुत शौक है. They love cleanliness. They love cleanliness. जरूरी नहीं हर बार कुछ वजह हो. Not every time there is a reason. Not every time there is a reason. शायद कोई मेहमान आने वाला हो. Maybe they are expecting guest. Maybe they are expecting guest. वो हमेशा बालकनी में ही क्यों खड़ी रहती है? Why is she always standing in the balcony? Why is she always standing in the balcony? हवा खाने के बहाने सब पर नजर रखती है. She watches everyone pretending to get fresh air. She watches everyone pretending to get fresh air. अरे बस यूं ही खड़ी रहती होगी. She must be just standing there casually. She must be just standing there casually. हर गली में एक तो होती ही है ऐसी. There is always one like that in every street. There is always one like that in every street. वो कौन सा नया ड्रामा शुरू हुआ अब उनके घर में? What's the new drama in their house now? What's the new drama in their house now? कल तो बर्तन फेंकने की आवाज आई थी. I heard the sound of utensils being thrown yesterday. I heard the sound of utensils being thrown yesterday. हो सकता है टीवी का साउंड हो. Maybe it was the TV. Maybe it was the TV. कुछ तो चल रहा है पर पता नहीं क्या. Something is going on, but I don't know what. Something is going on, but I don't know what. उनकी बहू कभी बाहर नहीं दिखती. Why doesn't their daughter-in-law ever come out? Why doesn't their daughter-in-law ever come out? शायद डरती है सास से. Maybe she is scared of her mother-in-law. Maybe she is scared of her mother-in-law. बाहर निकलती है पर तुम ध्यान नहीं देते. She does come out, you just miss it. She does come out, you just miss it. हो सकता है वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम करती हो. Maybe she works from home. Maybe she works from home. क्या वो हर बार इतना मेकअप करके ही निकलती है? Does she always wear so much makeup when going out? Does she always wear so much makeup when going out? हाँ, सबको दिखाने के लिए ही तो. Yes, just to show off. Yes, just to show off. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. No, not really. No, not really. अच्छा लगता है तो करती होगी. She must like it, that's why. She must like it, that's why. उनका बेटा दिन भर बाइक पर ही क्यों घूमता रहता है? Why is their son always roaming on his bike? Why is their son always roaming on his bike? टाइम पास करने का बहाना है बस. Just wasting time, that's it. Just wasting time, that's it. शायद डिलीवरी का काम करता हो. Maybe he does delivery work. Maybe he does delivery work. कुछ तो करने में लगा है, अच्छा है. At least he is keeping himself busy. At least he is keeping himself busy. वो औरत हर बात पे टोकती क्यों है? Why does that lady interfere in everything? Why does that lady interfere in everything? यही उसका टाइम पास है. That's her way of passing time. That's her way of passing time. वो तो बस पूछ रही होती है. She is just being curious. She is just being curious. अरे मत पूछ, मेरा तो दिमाग खराब कर दी है. Don't even ask, she drives me crazy. Don't even ask, she drives me crazy. वो लड़का हर हफ्ते नया हेयर स्टाइल क्यों बनवाता है? Why does that boy have a new hairstyle every week? Why does that boy have a new hairstyle every week? अरे इंस्टाग्राम वाला फैशन है भाई. It's the Instagram fashion trend. It's the Instagram fashion trend. अरे नहीं, वो तो सेम ही रहता है. No, it's always the same. No, it's always the same. लड़का है, कुछ तो करेगा स्टाइल में. He is a boy, let him experiment. He is a boy, let him experiment. क्या वो लोग झगड़ा करके सोते हैं क्या रोज? Do they fight every night before sleeping? Do they fight every night before sleeping? हाँ, दीवार के उस पार तक सुनाई देता है. Yes, we can hear them through the wall. Yes, we can hear them through the wall. नहीं, तुम बढ़ा चढ़ा के सोचते हो. No, you are overthinking it. No, you are overthinking it. लगता है कोई सीरियल चल रहा है. Maybe it's a serial on TV. Maybe it's a serial on TV. क्या वो वाकई में हर दिन नई ड्रेस पहनती है? Does she really wear a new dress every day? Does she really wear a new dress every day? हाँ, उसका स्टाइल तो कमाल है. Yes, her style is amazing. Yes, हर स्टाइल इज अमेजिंग। नहीं, वो बार बार वही घुमाकर पहनती है। नो, शी रिपीट्स द सेम क्लोथ्स स्मार्टली। नो, शी रिपीट्स द सेम क्लोथ्स स्मार्टली। शायद ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की दीवानी है। मे बी शी इज एडिक्टेड टू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग। मे बी शी इज एडिक्टेड टू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग। वो अंकल सुबह 5 बजे क्यों झाड़ू लगाते हैं? Why does that uncle sweep at 5 a.m.? Why does that uncle sweep at 5 a.m.? ताकि सबको नींद से जगा सके। To wake everyone up with the noise. To wake everyone up with the noise. अरे वो तो सफाई पसंद है। He just like cleanliness. He just like cleanliness. लगता है रिटायरमेंट के बाद यही हॉबी बन गई है। लुक्स लाइक दैट्स हिज हॉबी पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट। लुक्स लाइक दैट्स हिज हॉबी पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट। वो हर दिन इतने जोर से क्यों बोलते हैं? वाई डू दे टॉक सो लाउडली एवरी डे? वाई डू दे टॉक सो लाउडली एवरी डे? शायद उन्हें कम सुनाई देता है। Maybe they can't hear properly. Maybe they can't hear properly. कोई आइडिया नहीं, आदत होगी। No idea, maybe it's just their habit. No idea, maybe it's just their habit. लगता है पूरी कॉलोनी को सुनाना है। I think they want the whole colony to hear them. I think they want the whole colony to hear them. उनकी बिल्ली हमारे घर क्यों आती है? Why does their cat keep coming to our house? Why does their cat keep coming to our house? शायद उसे हमारा घर पसंद है। Maybe it likes our place. Maybe it likes our place. अब तो आना बंद कर दिया है। It doesn't come anymore. It doesn't come anymore. लगता है उसे यहाँ की चाय पसंद है। I think even the cat wants tea and biscuits. I think even the cat wants tea and biscuits. क्या उन्होंने आज फिर झगड़ा किया? Did they fight again today? Did they fight again today? हाँ, फिर से बहस सुनाई दी। Yes, I heard them arguing again. Yes, I heard them arguing again. नहीं, आज तो शांत थे। Surprisingly, they were quiet today. Surprisingly, they were quiet today. लगता है झगड़ा उनका डेली रूटीन है। I guess fighting is their daily routine now. I guess fighting is their daily routine now. वो हर बार इतना सामान क्यों लाते हैं? Why do they bring so much stuff every time? Why do they bring so much stuff every time? शायद कोई फंक्शन है उनके घर। Maybe there is an event at their place. Maybe there is an event at their place. शायद बस यूं ही खरीदारी कर ली। Maybe it's just regular shopping. Maybe it's just regular shopping. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे पूरे मोहल्ले का सामान ला रहे हो। Feels like they are stocking up for the whole neighborhood. Feels like they are stocking up for the whole neighborhood. क्या उनकी बहू ने आज नई साड़ी पहनी थी? Did their daughter-in-law wear a new sari today? Did their daughter-in-law wear a new sari today? हाँ, बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी। Yes, she looked really nice in it. Yes, she looked really nice in it. नहीं, वही पुरानी वाली थी। No, same old one. No, same old one. मैं तो सोच रही हूँ वैसी ही साड़ी ले लूँ। आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग द सेम वन। आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग द सेम वन। क्या वो आज बाहर गए थे? डिड दे गो आउट टुडे? डिड दे गो आउट टुडे? हाँ, सुबह जल्दी निकल गए थे। या दे लेफ्ट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग। या दे लेफ्ट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग। नहीं, पूरे दिन घर पर थे। नो, दे स्टेड होम ऑल डे। नो, दे स्टेड होम ऑल डे। मुझे तो लग रहा सीसीटीवी लगवा लूं। आई शुड इंस्टॉल सीसीटीवी टू कीप ट्रैक। आई शुड इंस्टॉल सीसीटीवी टू कीप ट्रैक। उनका बच्चा इतना शरारती क्यों है? Why is their kid so naughty? Why is their kid so naughty? बच्चा है, स्वाभाविक है। He is just a kid, it's natural. He is just a kid, it's natural. अब थोड़ा सुधर गया है। He is a bit better now. He is a bit better now. शरारत में गोल्ड मेडल जीत सकता है। He is ready for a gold medal in mischief. He is ready for a gold medal in mischief. क्या उन्होंने उस दिन हमारी बात सुन ली थी? Did they hear our conversation that day? Did they hear our conversation that day? हाँ, खिड़की के पास खड़े थे। Yes, they were standing near the window. Yes, they were standing near the window. नहीं, उस दिन घर पर ही नहीं थे। No, they weren't even home. No, they weren't even home. उन्हें तो पहले से सब पता होता है। They already know everything anyway. They already know everything anyway. क्या उनकी बहू दिन भर घर के बाहर रहती है? Does their daughter-in-law stay outside all day? Does their daughter-in-law stay outside all day? हाँ, रोज गेट पर फोन पर बात करती रहती है। Yes, she is always on the phone at the gate. Yes, she is always on the phone at the gate. नहीं, वो तो अंदर ही रहती है ज़्यादातर। No, she mostly stay inside. No, she mostly stays inside. शायद काम से बाहर जाती हो। Maybe she goes out for work. Maybe she goes out for work. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।